MIDI Captain SuperMode Mouse and Keyboard Basic Settings Tutorial. SuperMode on MIDI Captain series controllers implements keyboard and mouse simulation functions. The following examples will explain the configuration rules and function keys. Keyboard simulation is set to a standard US keyboard. Please note that keyboard and mouse simulation instructions can only be configured during short presses, short_DWX. Example 1. Simulating a single key press. Short_DW1 sad face dash HID dash A is a typical configuration for pressing a single key once. Similar to MIDI control instructions, the instruction retains the format of 4 square brackets as one instruction unit. In the basic configuration, the first bracket is undefined and can be filled with a hyphen. The second bracket indicates the type of instruction, which is fixed as HID, to distinguish it from MIDI instructions. The third bracket is reserved for combination keyboard instructions. If not needed, you can fill it with dash. The fourth bracket represents the key operation to be simulated. Here, A represents the A key on the keyboard. Note that uppercase letters are used. In subsequent program updates, case-insensitive input formats will be supported. With the instruction configuration short_DW1 sad face dash HID dash A, pressing the foot switch is equivalent to clicking the A key on the keyboard. Additionally, you can change the content in the fourth bracket to simulate mouse clicks. Mouse simulation currently only supports left and right clicks, represented by mouse_L and mouse_R, respectively. Please note that mouse simulation does not currently support combination with multi-function keys. Furthermore, mouse simulation only simulates mouse button clicks. Mouse movement and hovering are still performed by the computer's mouse. The advantage of this is that when we want to control the playback and pause of a music software or player using the controller, we only need to move the mouse to the corresponding button position within the window interface, and then control the click operation with the foot switch. Example 2. Simulating a double key combination keyboard instruction. Taking short_DW1 sad face dash HID control A as an example of a combination keyboard instruction, when you press the foot switch, it is equivalent to a control plus a select all click on the keyboard. Note that the first letter of control is capitalized. In this type of instruction, the multi-function key in the third bracket can be set to Control, Alt, Shift, or Win, with the first letter capitalized. Example 3. Simulating a string of instructions. Like MIDI instructions, keyboard and mouse simulations can also be sent as a string of instructions. Just follow the format of 4 square brackets per instruction unit and sequentially add configurations in order. The program will execute the instructions sequentially from left to right. Please note that instruction strings should not be written on multiple lines, and the number of square brackets must be a multiple of 4, with each specified unit complete. Otherwise, it may cause program execution errors. For example, to input the 4 letters A, B, C, and D in sequence, we can input the following instruction. By doing so, pressing the corresponding foot switch will complete the input of A, B, C, D, making our operations more convenient.